I'll give you one guess where I'm at. Yep, you probably don't know where I'm at, do you? I'm in a little town on Maui, Wailuku. This is Main Street. And I'm coming down to go see somebody right now. And they don't know I'm coming either. This is gonna be good. Let's see. Now in Wailuku, it's a quaint little town, old little shops here, and the first Friday of every month they close the street down and they have a little, it's called First Friday. That's kind of cool. And this is a Friday, but I'm not here for that. I'm not on the first Friday. That's why this street is not shut down. Where am I going?
What order you get?
How you doing?
Going good.
Is that your little pup?
Oh, I'm with her, yeah.
You're with
Yeah,
her.
that's Mochi.
Have a good day.
Hello.
Hello. I think the store's up here.
Well, I thought I repeated what you just said.
Hey, I'm
How's it
looking
going?
for Terry.
Oh my god, video!
Oh my God!
Hold on a second, I'm helping a client.
Okay.
Oh, I can't believe it.
Well, I'm in a shoe store, and this is the only shoe store on the island that does repairs. Look at this. Cool. And I think she's got some work for me.
Yeah.
She designs shoes too. She's on the phone. She's not talking to me. Look at this. She designs shoes too. Hot Biscuit. That's her design. You gotta check this out.